Yep. The annoying one.
Prison of Elders welcomes you. Do not fail, Guardian.
I got a little. I've found a good strategy to try to kill him. You just gotta make sure you do it right, or at the specific time. You just get him, or you wait for the first round of heals, because I'm pretty sure that happens no matter what. It's pretty impossible to stop. And then you get him down with like regular ammo and stuff till he spawns new enemies, and then you just take him out with like Black Hammer or rockets or something that does a lot of damage fast after he spawns enemies, and you usually should be able to do it before he heals again. Ooh, some heavy ammo on the ground. I missed his arm.
Enemies come, Guardian. Thirst for your lives.
I wonder what special objectives happen this week. Hopefully nothing too horrible. Oh, there's someone behind us. Yikes.
Enemies have been unleashed.
Oh, I hit his shield.
They are
That was a pretty
dead.
easy one.
You are not.
And I got some heavy ammo.
Need you back in airlock, Guardian.
All fallen now. I think the next one was light switch or something like that.
Round 2.
Yep.
You face the disgraced, lost, fallen. Impress me, yes. Fight and win.
there we go. Now it's to spawn down to that door. I was looking over on that right side forever and nothing was spawning.
Fallen pirates incoming. Seek mines, destroy them.
Destroy mines. Oh, I can see that one. Ooh, yikes. Hit me, but I survived it.
Success.
Oh, behind you. Busies. Watching your sides, Alan. Oh, to your right. I think there's still at least one invisible out there, but I don't think he's on our bodies. I see him. He's down. Assuming that was the last one.
Enemies advance.
Rocket ammo.
Destroy mines or die. Your choice.
Remember to fill up soon. It's gonna go away in 10.
Success, Guardian. They are dead. You are not.
I love it when they give you heavy ammo.
Need you back in airlock, Guardian.
Airborne. There's deal more damage while in air. Not care about that one.
They will try to kill you. Kill them back.
Oh, exploder shanks to the right. Nice. More exploders to the right. Oh, and snipers, wow.
Guardian down.
Oh, I saw you invisible right in front of me. I thought it was a enemy. I freaked out for a second.
Fallen pirates incoming.
Okay, no special objective. Exploders to the right. Oh god, I'm in a bad place. Yep. Snipers got me first and I was weak and I tried to hide. Man, those guys can take a lot of hits. Thank you. Hello, servitor. Okay. Sweet. Oh.
Stand.
Lots and lots of orbs.
Enemy is advancing.
Ooh, more heavy ammo. And they just love us this time. It's airborne. We do more damage while in air. Oh, yeah.
Your victory tells the tale. Go back to Airlock, yes.
So next is round 4, which is exposure. I absolutely hate this modifier. Mm-hmm. So we just gotta play it safe. I wonder if they're gonna give us like dismantle mines or the VIP one this time.
You face the disgraced, lost, fallen. They will try to kill you. Kill them back.
I love how if you don't wipe completely, all the orbs and ammo stay here. Yeah, they're everywhere. Captain coming up. He's down. Got some mines while I have the chance.
More enemies on the way. Dismantle mines.
Dismantle. Alright, I'm going over to this other balcony because I'm already halfway there. Nice. Oof. They do not like me over here. They're just shooting up here like crazy. Alright, I'm heading your way when I go invisible. Gotta get out of here. I'm at the point where just my health regens, I don't have any more shields. Second. Oh, this is fourth round. Yeah. Just got the boss left. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, actually, I'm gonna wait till these guys' health are down. I'm gonna go down there and use Blade Dance. most likely die, but I'll come back with full health because I'm already low. Yep. Oh, come on, die, 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 die. Alright, yeah, I made 4 orbs too. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Incoming. Dismantle mines, yes. Or
I got 2 shielded captains coming at me. At least we'll get it done fast and we can all run away.
success. You have done it.
Oh god. Captain right on top of me. Thank you. I'm gonna switch to my sniper now so I can start hunting for ammo. Two servers right in the dead center. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I got tons of heavy ammo just laying around. I think we'll be fine for the boss.
Well done. Retreat to airlock.
Now it's grounded. That's the worst. Although I do remember fighting this boss with grounded before, so I remember you just gotta run past the first wave of enemies on the left because they come out so fast. And don't jump.
You face the
So you guys got good long-range weapons? Sweet. I equipped a scout rifle with arc, and then I got black horn and galley. Or black hammer and galley. Right. Yeah, we should keep at least one. Let's do it.
Calyx reborn. Servitor rebuilt.
So, I suggest just taking out some of the ads that aren't the special ones, because they'll just disappear. Oh, we got a special guy up here. Oh, he disappeared. There we go. Ooh, a lot of shanks out there. Captain down below to the left. Alright, I'm going dead center on this little platform here, and I say just start doing damage to him. Not Galley yet. When he's at half health, that's when we start doing rockets and crazy stuff. Yes. So we gotta be quick when we actually start doing it. Alright, yeah, we should start doing it now.
Important target got
Oh, I got killed.
killed.
Oh, we got guys coming up with blades. Yeah, if you can kill him, try, but don't get killed yourself. Yeah. Oh well. That was only our first try.
You face the final round.
We all ready? Okay.
Calyx reborn. Servitor rebuilt. Lives again.
Yeah. Where are those damn sword guys? There they are. Yeah, I assumed they'd all be in a bunch. Special guy's on his way up the ramp. Bunch of shanks down on the bottom of the ramp. Been busy coming up. Dead. Alright, that looks like all the guys. Ah, great. He's moving over there. I hate when he does that. Let's see what he does. He's moving back to the mid. I'm gonna try to get him over here. Alright, galleys out.
Guardian down.
Yeah, if we wait, we're gonna have to just deal with these guys for now. Just, oh yeah, he's healing, so just wait it out. Oh, I fell right off the edge. Oh god, this is not good for me. Died on my way up. Alright, I'm looking at the ramp right now. There's nothing on me or at the bottom of the ramp, but I saw a couple shanks out there. Yeah. Oh, he's in a good spot though. Alright, I'd start using rockets now. Ah, great, he's starting to move.
Target, Guardian. Kill you or
Trying to stun him, dang it, didn't get him. Alright, the important target's coming to us, so that's good at least. Alright, come back. Come back. Yeah, we just need to wait for him to come to us. Make it easier on us. I just got some galley shots. Yeah.
success.
Sweet.
Success. Your victory tells the tale. Retreat to airlock. Champion of the Elders.
Oh, I should probably change my jump.
You have won.
I hate having blink when you
Treasure
drop down
awaits
here.
in Crystal Barrow.
Got her benevolence.